Okay, this is my friend Eduardo. Eduardo, tell us, what are you doing? What's your plan?
My plan is doing some research in South America, and first of all in Cabo Verde, all the islands, and afterwards head to South America and Principe.
Out here on the great big oceans, the sailing world is actually small. Us sailors meet and meet again.
My friend Eduardo coming in the bay here. He messaged me. Eduardo from the Maktub boat, the whale research vessel. I don't know if you remember him. We did a couple episodes. So he left San Nicolau, sent me a message, and he thought he'd be here sometime in the evening, but I thought he'd be here like now. He's got a camera and he's fast. So probably have coffee with him tomorrow and him settle in tonight. Look forward to seeing him. Great guy, man. Super cool.
A bit Indiana Jones.
Eduardo is the modern scientific Indiana Jones of whale research.
There's my friend Eduardo. He's gonna come pick me up in his dinghy. We're gonna go to land and have a coffee and catch up. It's been about 2-3 years, maybe 4 since we've seen each other. Yeah, it was just before COVID. He got stuck on Sao Tome, and anyways, he has a research vessel that researches whales. The guy was a professor at the University of Barcelona. Anyways, he's a really cool guy. Okay, this is my friend Eduardo. Eduardo, tell us, what are you doing? What's your plan?
My plan is doing some research in South America, and first of all in Cabo Verde, all the islands, and afterwards head to South America and Principe.
Me and Eduardo, we haven't seen each other for like 4 years since COVID, and now he's back. It's so good to see him, but he's going so fast, man. Just had a coffee together, and man, it's a great guy. And look him up, Maktub. What do you do?
Yeah, well, I'm doing research on whales, dolphins and whales, or marine mammals, and everywhere it can be done, and it works like Cabo Verde, that is a really nice place for this species.
Yeah, and he might go the wrong way around too, down to South Africa and so forth. But we'll see. The world is small.
I'll keep on explaining.
And we'll see each other again for sure, man.
Sure.
Mines.
This crew, accompanied by his ongoing crewmate,
Alex, this is Alex. And Alex.
and his dog, half Border Collie and half Dalmatian.
I like this dog. Dude, man, she's cool, man.
No, she's really nice and no problem with anything.
There goes Eduardo. Super cool guy. And I wish he could hang out here longer. He's going to Fogo and Brava, he's going to Tarrafal, he's studying whales. See you soon, man! But he's on the move, and then he's on his way to Sao Tome and Principe. I'd like to follow his lead, but we're gonna stay here until Wendy knows how to swim right.
They are going out to search the great oceans and observe the mysterious and majestic marine mammals out there. Off to very faraway places like Sao Tome and Principe, 2 islands in the Gulf of Gabon. Look it up. And also have a look at the videos we did together on Season 4 of Winded Voyage, starting at episode 52. You'll see more amazing footage and hear his story. Eduardo's the real deal. No AI bullshit. Maktube whale research vessel. And now back to our exciting life aboard Galapa.
Off topic moment. Third attempt at making bread is almost there. Not quite. Nice and crunchy. Nice and salt in the middle. Almost there. A little bit of presunto, some olive oil. Delicious. Okay guys, man, Wendy's inspired. She wants to make pizza. She makes it good. It's been a long time since she's made it. So she's inspired to do it. Hey, vida, doce. Vida mariner. Wendy's not sure that she wants to be filmed for everything. I'm like, come on.
Motherfucker.
You motherfucker.
Só que tem privacidade.
You'll see, she makes great pizza. So I told Wendy, man, you know, it's the life of us two sailors, you know, little young African girl, old European dude.
Convocate?
I made the sauce, tomato paste, onions, garlic, some wine. And now I'm gonna grate the cheese, get the chorizos ready. And we like pineapple on our pizza, so oh, we like pineapple. We will have pineapple. Look at that. Lots of cheese. Verdian and Swiss making it pizza with pineapple. Wendy added a little bit of cream to the. Oh my God, it's gonna be great. Next, we're gonna put some chorizos, olives, and yes, ananas, pineapple. You guys don't like it? Fuck you. We love it. All right, guys, now look at this fucking pizza, man.
Feito por eu.
Man, does that look awesome or what? Woo! We like sweet and sour, agrados. So why not put ananas, pineapple on our pizza? If we like it, we like it. Wendy dice agua na boca. El baba. That means she's drooling. This looks so good. She did a great job. Now, let's see if she'll clean up afterwards.
Gostoso. Delicioso.
All right. Let's put it in the oven. Put it in a four.
Maravilhoso. E esse é gostoso.
Wendy é orgulhoso. That means she's proud. Então, vou querer comer. Edita.
I think Wendy could stay aboard, as long as she expresses her Italian talents.
This dude just bumped into us. He's against the boat. I asked him if he needed help, but he's like, I don't know what I'm doing. He sailed off. He's all right. Things go bump in the day. Sounds like the drums are doing sound check. It's a big celebration this weekend. It's the 50th anniversary of the country's independence. There's some good musicians coming here, apparently, according to Wendy. She's all excited.
What could he do for me?
Can I nice on that one, Wendy? The wind has totally shifted. So Wendy can go and swim here in this really cool shallow spot. She's so funny. She's like a little kid. It's really nice here. There's a sandy bottom. Yeah! Yeah, Wendy! Here goes Wendy. She's gonna swim. She's looking for her mermaid. There she goes. There she goes. She's beating it. Yeah. Okay, what do you think, guys? Is Wendy, she's starting to become a mermaid? A dolphin? Yeah? Okay. Para my fans.
So nice.
Too nice?
Yeah. Para isso.
Pode sentir umzinha mais perto de Alma del Golfin.
Galuzere.
Utsere. I told all my fans, I said I'm taking Wendy to learn to swim in a place where there's beautiful golden sand beaches and blue water. Look at this. My promise has been fulfilled.
Just a new body, want to live in luxury. I work too hard, oh my. Luxury. We come so far, luxury. Cover these scars and die.
Hey, Wendy.
Every day I'm
That much? No, that won't. We got it. As you can see, Wendy is a proper adventurer. She looks good. She's strong. She helped me lift the dinghy up here on the beach. She's the best, man. Not only is she the best and she's strong, she looks good. There's dinghy over there. It's doing okay. So me and Wendy came over here in the dinghy, tried a new system. Instead of lifting it up on the beach where people could mess with it and play with it, we put it at anchor up there, and I waited out there. Everything's great, looks like it's staying there, no problem. The thing is, I got my shoes on there. She thinks it's funny. It's not funny. Luckily we're at the beach. I don't need my shoes. Wendy says, oh, it's all right, you're white. You appeared to be a foreigner, an idiot foreigner.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Winded Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.